Time now to take a look at your North Central Washington weather forecast. Hope you had a fantastic weekend. Weather really wasn't too bad. We had some sun, we had some clouds and sun, and some shower activity as we began our work week this morning. Still some of that leftover showers as we take a look from our Wenatchee Heights tower camera down at the Wenatchee Valley. And you can see just some showers in the Cascades, and we still have a chance that some of that will continue tonight as well. And as we get into your Tuesday, also a chance that we'll see some showers. I think most of the shower activity will end Tuesday, maybe into Wednesday here. Only about a 10 to 20% chance of rain. That's thunderstorms that could still happen around the area as well. And then look what happens as we get into our first weekend of April. A warming trend begins actually on Thursday, and we are going to be talking highs in the 60s and possibly even some low 70s as we get into this upcoming weekend. It looks like a beauty, and we'll talk more about that here in a second. Today's high temperature unofficially 55 degrees, just a couple of degrees below where we should be for this time of year at 57. 78 our record high, and that was set in 1992. Another mild start to our day at 42, 5 degrees above 37, which is our normal low for this time of year. Our record low 28, and that was set in 2008. We had a couple of different showers today. That big rain, well, bigger rain this morning, and then some rain around noontime, and that gave us 0.13 of an inch today, and that gets us to 2.20 for the year, and just under 0.3 now behind where we should be, so we're in pretty good shape as we head into April. Sunrise this morning 6:41, and it sets this evening at 7:30. All right, here's your Tuesday forecast, and temperatures will warm up a bit tomorrow. Just a chance for showers, almost 60 for Moses Lake and Ephrata, 58 in Quincy, also in Wenatchee, Aniat, and up into Chelan, upper 50s to near 60 for Omak, and then mainly middle 50s in our higher elevations, Lake Wenatchee to Leavenworth, also Kashmir, just a shade cooler at a high of 57 tomorrow afternoon. Tonight, we expect cloudy skies. It's all because this little area of low pressure is bringing clouds into Washington. Most of the shower activity tonight will be for you folks, Pateros and north into Omak. I think we'll probably be shower free in the Wenatchee area. And then for our first day of April tomorrow, it's going to be kind of cool. Mostly cloudy skies, just a smattering of showers in central Washington. Most of the real rain will be in the western part of the state with high temperatures tomorrow in those upper 50s. For your Wednesday, mostly sunny, maybe just a little bit breezy, pretty strong west and northwesterly flow moving into Washington. High temperatures a little cooler Wednesday than Thursday, into the mid 50s. And then for Thursday, mostly sunny skies and warmer. This is really where the warm up begins, thanks to that area of high pressure out in the Pacific. It's going to keep our weather stable. High temperatures Thursday afternoon in those upper 50s. And then the weather gets beautiful as we get you into Friday. Look at all of the sunshine statewide and even over into most of Montana. High temperatures Friday right around 60 degrees, and even warmer than that as we get into the weekend. Lots of sunshine to kick off our Saturday. High pressure in eastern Washington, and that's just keeping our skies clear throughout the Pacific Northwest. We're going to warm up into the mid 60s as we get into Saturday, and then Sunday, the end of our forecast, our warmest day. Sunny and warmer, very stable weather in the Pacific Northwest getting into this weekend. High temperatures in the upper 60s to, maybe even 70 degrees for a high by Sunday afternoon. All right, your 7-day forecast, 38 overnight tonight. Still a chance for scattered showers tomorrow and about 58 for the high. A little cooler with some breezy conditions on Wednesday and 56. And then beautiful weather Thursday right through Sunday. Upper 50s for Thursday and Friday. 65 your high on Saturday, and all the way up to 68 degrees for a high temperature on Sunday. And that's a look at your North Central Washington weather forecast. Coming up next, tonight's sports report with Eric Granstrom and more as the NCWLIFE Evening News continues right after this.